Welcome to the channel, everyone. My name is Lyndon Houston. Welcome to Lyndon Houston Cooking. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to pasteurize your bottles before you put the sauce in it. So today is not really about to let you know how to make your sauce. If you're new here, just let you know you're welcome. And please remember to like, share, subscribe. Do leave positive comment. So I'm going to turn the camera another way and show you how to pasteurize your bottles before you put your sauce. Sit back, relax, enjoy this video. So today I'm going to show you how to pasteurize your bottles. I'm making some sauce today, and so basically it's not really to show you how to make the sauce. It's just certain tricks and tips. So I have some bottles. These bottles here are 100 ml, and I put on a pot of water there to not really boil, but to get to certain temperatures. But I will bring it up to temperature. I'm just going to put some cider vinegar in the water. All this is personal. You can add a little bit of salt in it. So I'm using 100 mils bottle. So what that's going to happen, I'm going to put this in the water and leave them. Already washed them, but this is a method I normally use when I'm making my sauces. So once you put them in like this, if you notice, they become filled with water because the water fill them up. So you have the hot water in that. So I'm gonna leave them in there for about 10 to 15 minutes before I take them out and drain them. So basically, today I need about 100 of these. I'm gonna do today. But in a bit, I'm gonna show you the sauce. Yeah, I know those of you who will be watching the video might say, where's the recipe? But as I said before, today is not about the recipe for the sauce. It's a personal recipe. I'm just showing you how to sterilize your bottles. So we're gonna leave them in there. I think I can fit a couple more in there. The thing is, some of the things you will need for your sauce is one of these. You can get them on Amazon. This video is not a promotion, but all of these I bought them on Amazon. So that you use it to lift your bottle out the water. Otherwise, I'm gonna use like a tongue. Some people call it clip. You'll need one of these when you fill in your sauce. You can even leave it in there, sterilize him a bit, get him sterilized off. So over here I have my sauce boiling. So this, I'm going to let this boil for probably about 40 minutes. But the purpose of this video is not about the sauce, not about the recipe. So, you don't need to worry about the recipe today. Yeah, so basically how I do these now, as you can see over here. So this is finished. So this is like a funnel. So I'm just going to set that aside. So that's what I use for the sauce. So you can either use the device I showed you earlier. So make sure you drain them. So I'm just going to set them upright like this. So those are ready for the sauce to go in it. So as I said, I need 100 of these. So I'm going to do 100 of these. And the lids, I'll show you what I do with the lids. For the lids, I kind of pop them in the water, but I don't keep them too long as the bottles. So the sauce here, as you see, it's ready to, thicken up a bit, and then I need to blend them out and then start the bottling process. So basically what I'm going to do, you see I have these are the lids. So go ahead, we're going to put them in the water, just to let them sterilize a little bit. So we're just doing the same process. Put them in the water a bit. But because they're plastic, I'm not going to keep them in too long. So that's how I'm going to do it. So I'm just going to take my time and put that in there. Okay. What I'm going to do here now, I'm going to just quickly take them out like this. So that's how I normally do it. I just put it on a towel. So basically, I'm just going to let them drain, drain a bit. Just kind of move them around a bit. So basically what I'm not going to do now, I'm going to thicken my sauce. So normally, like when I'm bottling, I just use this funnel like this, and then you just gently fully bottle up. So as I said before, this video is not really about the sauce. It's just show you how to, pasteurize your bottle, get them clean and your equipment and stuff like that. I'm just showing you how you do it. Make sure it takes time. Make sure you fill it right up to there. And the reason why I fill it up to there because